We're on our way to a car show in London. It's 3 hours away. It's held by the petrol heads. What's poppin', mother suckers? Woo! Welcome back to the Tony Bush Jr. Show, baby. And I'm still out of the country, but as promised, we're on our way to a car show in London. It's 3 hours away. It's held by the petrol heads. It's supposed to be pretty dope, some awesome rides. I'm curious and excited to see how they do it in the UK with their whole car scene. So we're gonna check it out, and I'm on feet this morning. Hold on, hey. Okay, I tried to get a hitchhike, but I guess it don't work. So I got a 3 hour train ride. I got to get on like 3 trains to get from where I am to London. So it's going to be a nice little journey. But don't forget to hit them mother sucking buttons, the like, the share, the subscribe. I can't get a hitchhike by somebody else, but it's all good. Stay tuned, because here we go. The first of 3 trains is here. I got to get on this metro. That's going to take me to the National Rail train. Then that train will take us to London. And then we got to get on another metro, and then we'll be at the car show. Let's do it, baby. 1 train down. Now this train, the National Rail, this one's going to take us to London. Just boarded the National Rail. It's going to be about a 2 hour ride to get from here to London, and then from there to a metro, and then from the metro I gotta walk, and then we'll be at the car show. So yeah, these legs are walking. They're going to be tired, but we got to do it, baby. So I'll see y'all in a couple hours, and then we'll get the show on the road. Okay, I'm about to board the final train for this destination. Hopping on the 3rd train for the day, and we'll finally be at the car show. I'm super juiced. All aboard. Let's go. We here. We are here, baby. We have made it to the Petrolhead-isms underground parking garage at the world famous Wembley Stadium in London. And look, it is cars on both sides as far as the eye can see. Look, is that a cut dog as a lowrider? BMWs, NSXs, Evos. It's crazy. I see a Skyline over there. We made it. We're here. Is that a Geo Prism or a Honda Civic? Oh my goodness. All right, we're about to walk around. There is two sites, two locations in this car garage that I'm gonna explore. So you know what? Let's get to it. I'm juiced. Let's check out some cars. I got questions about this Lamborghini, but I don't know if I should ask the questions, because I'm so puzzled right now. I need to go see the other side and see why. I don't know. It looked like this was found in the back alley somewhere. I don't know. Let me go look at the back side. Let's go check it out. Yeah, this was definitely stolen and left here on accident. I think I can give him about $15 for the rest of this exhaust. It's time. Look, he know. Yep. Anybody looking for a yellow Lambo, it is here at the car show. I found it. I need my finder's fee, baby. Oh man. This is a 1991 NSX. Look at this. It has 300,000 original miles on the original engine with 7 owners. That's crazy. It is immaculate. This is why we came here. Oh my goodness. This is freaking crazy. Nice blower on top. Look at that crazy header. Look at that, man. London knows what's up with the F bodies. Check it out. They got the air-bodied Firebird in this thing. And it is in mint. This has not been at the sideshow, not yet. But by the end of the day, if they give me them keys, I might take it to the sideshow and swing something. But man, it's in good condition. We got vets in here? Are you serious? What? I can't believe what I'm seeing right now. UK, y'all killing it, man. Oh, this thing is beautiful. It is freaking beautiful. Once again, man, I am freaking blown away by the amount of American muscle that is here today. Look at this freaking truck. I think this is a Ford F1. Yeah, this is a Ford F1, man. This is, I mean, the color on this thing is insane. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, it's for sale. Anybody want to buy it? What? Look at this. Turbo coming off the front bumper. Just freaking sick. Just disgustingly nasty, amazing for no reason. Look, it just keeps getting better. Look. Look at this. Look. Oh my God, this is like a postal truck. Postal delivery van, airbag, roll cage in the back, freaking air spoiler wing with dimple dies. What? And it's so clean. Oh man. Man, this is killing it. This is literally killing it. The separation between the windshield with the dimple dies in the middle, turbo. All these cars in here is dope, but I got one true favorite right here. That's right, the throwback baby mama drama, poetic justice, Honda hatchback Civic. This is it. Oh, and it's right-hand drive. It is right-hand drive with a moonroof. Like, I feel like I can go to the laundromat right now, wash some clothes in this, and then pull up to the car show. Like, look, you see that? That is patina. Well, actually, I don't know what that is, but it look a little suspect. But it's original. It is original. This thing is nice, man. Look, they got everything up here, man. Everything you can imagine. This show is so dope. R34 GTR. And I personally would rock this. I would drive the life out of this bad boy. The wheels are perfect. I would just do some disrespectful things to this bad boy. Oh, it's nice. Is that what I think it is? It is. It's a mother-sucking Daytona. And it's right-hand drive. No way. No way. I did not expect to see this. We're not done yet. This show literally keeps getting better. It's a Coinseg Agera. A Coinseg Agera. These things go freaking 250, 300 miles an hour, man. All carbon fiber rims, carbon fiber rotors. It's carbon on carbon fiber. Another thing, the car is made out of carbon fiber. If you look close, you can see the green carbon fiber in the green. This whole car is carbon fiber. I think the air pressure is made out of carbon fiber. Everything is carbon on this thing. This is a nice touch on this McLaren. That is pretty sick. Was that like Sharky from the cartoon? That's pretty clever. Oh, I spy with my eye. Uh-oh, I spy with my eye. The Eleanor, the unicorn of muscle cars is here. That's crazy. What's up, Eleanor? Oh man, you mind if I take you for a ride, girl, and show you a thing or two around the block? Look at it, but it's right-hand drive. There's the go baby go button right there in the center. Oh man, I have no idea what this is. Zero clue, but it is nice than a mother sucker. I really want this paint scheme. This paint is pretty. It's almost like a cotton periwinkle. Like, oh my goodness, this is raw. Oh my God, look at that interior. Sweet Jeeba. What in the heck is that? If anybody out there knows what this is, please let me know. Oh man, the body lines on this thing. It's like a Jaguar and a Miata had a baby, and it was like 9 months later, take this. Look at the front hood, how it swoops down inside. Oh man. Oh, I didn't even see like this little curvature on the windshield, the front of the windshield. What is this? What the freaking deuce? This is sick. Oh, TBR. That might be what this is. All I gotta say is, this is just disrespectful. This is just amazingly disrespectful. Oh, that looks so good. Titanium meets gold, all gold, everything. Oh my goodness. Oh. I will give my left lung, my kidney, and three left toes just for this. This Huracan is just beautiful. Well done. Well done.